Welcome. Today's video features a father and his two daughters deciding which puzzle to tackle in Volume 1. It will be interesting to learn of their discoveries about Jamaica. Happy family time, guys.
Glimpse Jamaica through word search. Volume 1.
This sounds interesting.
Yeah. So let's try this one. Which one you want to do? The ecosystem? Or the governors? Or the national heroes?
National heroes!
What do you think? Look at those nice pictures. You want to do the flowers? Okay, you have to pick quickly. You can't just be flipping. Okay, let's do
This one.
Okay. Some things at the beach.
Oh look, and it's even arranged in a heart.
Oh, that is nice. I didn't notice that.
Okay, I'm gonna look for sodas.
I'm gonna look for beef bag.
Okay.
No, beef bag.
This is very interesting. I love puzzles.